Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Sorry for the delay with common phrase of the day. I have been sick, but I'm okay now. So the common phrase of the day today is, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. This means that when you face a difficult or unpleasant situation, which are the lemons, you should try to turn it into something positive, which is the lemonade. It's a way to encourage optimism, resourcefulness, and a positive attitude. Here are some examples of how to use it in a sentence. I lost my job, but I decided to take the opportunity to start my own business. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. The weather ruined our picnic, but we had fun playing games indoors. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. She turned her failure into a learning experience. That's what it means to make lemonade out of lemons. So you can use this phrase to encourage someone who is feeling down or to describe how you've handled a situation in a positive way. It's an optimistic and motivating phrase to remind people that challenges can lead to growth or new opportunities. Thank you so much for joining us at Easy English Cafe. Please like and subscribe. Bye.